What's up, crypto family? That includes you, Safe Moon family. Look at these times. Look at what's going on in the markets, man. Y'all see what's happening? Y'all see what's going on? The real deal is we're looking at the cusp of the largest wealth transfer in history. Right here, right now, it's happening. Starting from these tariffs, bro. Now, I'm not a financial advisor. I don't have any kind of financial degrees. You should not be taking advice from me. I'm just speaking on what I'm seeing. You know, the crypto market is falling, bro. XRP down to my last time I looked at it was like 230, maybe 238. Last couple of days it was at almost 330. That's a whole dollar, man. XLM is down to like 20, maybe 22 cents. Like what? It's like, oh no. And what does down mean? That means people are panicking, people are selling, trying to get out. Oh, the crypto market's crashing. Gotta get out. Gotta get out. That's what and I say we, meaning the general public, do when they see stuff like this. Now, the big boys from old, and the ones who had that old spirit are sitting around, they're like, oh yeah, it's dropping. Oh yeah. Believe me, bro, they're out here just chomping at the bit, man. They're at the buffet, man. They're about to fill their plates up while we're outside selling spoons and forks. That's how it goes, man. That's how wealth transfer works. You look at upheaval in history. Now, are tariffs upheaval? In a certain sense, it's causing chaos, panic. The stock market is likely to plummet tomorrow, at least early. FUD is real in all walks of life, not just crypto, and stocks too. The public market, the consumer market, react to that kind of stuff. And the institutional investors rely on it. They rely on y'all run around like chickens with your head cut off, almost literally. Hey, because the market is going down. Oh, I'm losing money. You haven't lost anything because you had a position, which you donated basically to the other players, the big boy players, institutional investors, and the investors that understand that this is how markets work. It's been like that since the kings of old, all the way back to biblical days, man. You know, the spoils of war. This is what's going on. It's a new war. It's a commerce war. It's a business war. All is fair is love and war. Business is war. Business is a battlefield. The market is a battlefield. And most of us are losing or about to lose because some of y'all see this and look at the market and you see all the red and it's like, oh my goodness, this is terrible. And you look at your wallets and your accounts and it says it's dropped 35%, 40%, 22%, whatever the percentage is based on your holdings. And it's like, oh snap, I better sell before it goes all the way to zero. That's how you think. That's how we've been taught to think. I mean, school teaches us that. You got to get 100%. Anything less than 100% is less than perfect and all that, which is nonsense. It's complete, utter trash. Training to be cogs in the machine. That's a whole different discussion. Right now, all I'm talking about is this market, man. And it's your opportunity, my opportunity, to take some positions and get a little bit of gain out this game. Because guess what? I only got I was not one that took advantage of the last one. So being that's the case, I have very little to contribute to the market right now. And the little bit that I have, I'm gonna see if I can make some moves to gain a little bit more so I can jump on this as best I can. That's just me. Like I said, you don't have to follow me. I would suggest you not. I would suggest you get in the market and do your own research. Get on YouTube, study. You still got couple of hours to study and learn about how business ebbs and flows, the market ebbs and flows. It's out there. It's not a secret. It's just with smoke and mirrors, they have trained you not to see it or not to understand it or react a certain way to it, more specifically, because you do see it. And in a certain abstract sense, you understand it, but it's your reaction to it that they count on to make their moves. Because every little bit you sell is basically a donation to their pockets because you drive the price down further so they can get more at a better price than if you hadn't sold. So understand that. And this is for, a lot of y'all already know this, but this is for anybody who happens on this video, people who are new to crypto, new to trading market, stock, Forex, all that. All that's going to be affected by what's going on here. There's going to be millionaires made in the next 48 hours. People who were not millionaires, straight up. Billionaires will be made within the next week. People who were not billionaires. Make no mistake. I'm not saying that you can be one of them. It depends on what kind of assets you have to move through this season. But you could be one or the other. I don't think that I would be. I don't have that kind of assets, but I'll be able to get a little something out of this. And it's not a bad thing, folks. It's not. Yeah, I did 2 videos on this just because, mainly because, like I said, on the other one, I would have went live with it and it would have been all one long rant, but it's just one of those things. But that's neither here nor there. What is here is a massive shift in the market. What is there is on the other side is the rainbow, the real kind of rainbow, the one with a pot of gold at the bottom. Well, that's not real, but you know what I'm saying. This is a life-altering moment, folks, or it can be if you're ready. I'm trying to be ready. I'll see what happens in the next. Oh, actually, it is now Monday. So I'll see what happens later on today. I'll talk to y'all. Appreciate y'all. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Help me build this channel, folks. Appreciate y'all, man. Y'all have a good one.